Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we're gonna do a Valentine's Day look for those who are looking for a Valentine's Day, and if you're single, well, this is the video for you. So watch it, okay? It'll be great help. You'll find a Valentine's Day. So this is Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum by Drunk Elephant, and so I'm just gonna use that to moisturize my face all over so then I don't have dry, crackly skin, because no boy wants to see dry, crackly makeup skin. No one likes that. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Vasali Unicorn Essence, and sorry, I'm being really cringe, but who cares? You know, it's YouTube. Who's not cringe? So applying a serum or a primer before makeup actually does help your makeup application, and it does look a lot better. Trust me. If it seems like a waste of money, it honestly isn't. Get yourself some primer. Just get it, okay? It's good. Because one primer is not enough, we're going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And that's just gonna reduce like the oiliness, blah 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 blah. So see, Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And so I'm just gonna slap that all over my face. Put it mainly in the T-zone, wherever you don't want wrinkles or pores showing up, because when a spot's shiny, then that'll show up in makeup and you'll look cakey as. So now I'm just going to go in with the, what's this called? CoverGirl Vitalist Glow. So you want to put that on your high points of the face so you can have like a dewy kind of finish with your makeup. So then it's not matte on the parts where you want to highlight. So now I'm going to use some Tarte concealer. I'm not exactly sure what kind of concealer I'm using here, but just so you know, I don't use light concealer under my eyes because I don't like that whole, you know, flashy look or whatever. So if you do a color that's close to your skin tone, then you'll be fine. You'll be good to go, and it'll look more natural than makeup. And that's what you want to do on Valentine's Day. You don't want to rock up looking like a Barbie doll that's fake. No, boys don't like fake things. So you want to be as natural as possible and catfish them. Once that's all blended, I'm going to go in with this MAC concealer as contour. I know it's a little bit different, but this is how I like to do it to get like my perfect color match. So I'm just going to apply that onto a brush. Where the hell did I just go? Oh, true. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply that onto a brush and then create a line of my desired cheekbone. Just lovely like that. Swipe, swipe. Yes, Ashley, you go girl. So next, you want to put it on your forehead and just blend that shit out. What the hell are you doing with your eyelashes, Asha? You look fine. Stop. So now I'm just going to go in with the concealer I used last and just cut out my cheekbone. And this will make the contour more defined and make your cheekbones more defined. Damn, she's hot. So now I'm going to go in with a bronzer, plain matte bronzer, powder bronzer, pressed bronzer, whatever you want to call it, and put that over my contour to make it even more defined, because who doesn't want good cheekbones? It's the best part of the look. Then I'm going in with the darker contour, which was the darker concealer, and just going lightly on my nose, because you don't want too harsh lines on your nose. That's the last place where you want harsh lines, especially on Valentine's Day. You don't want to look faker than Barbie. I mean, who's faker than Barbie? Kim Kardashian? I don't know. Yes, maybe Kim. But apparently Kim's butt's real. So, you know, there's a bit of a debate there. Maybe I should do a whole YouTube video on that. You know, who's the fakest person in the world? Me! So now we're going to go in with some Maybelline baking powder. Let's bake the face. Excuse me, I just burped. So, we're gonna put some matte under the eyeball to make our skin look beautiful. Oh shit. I'm eating some cherries and a massive string of red saliva just streaming out of my mouth. And a piece of cherry just flew out of my mouth. My friend's sitting next to me. A massive piece of cherry just flew at her, and it nearly landed on a new computer. You're very welcome. So now we're going to put it under the cheekbone to make it even more defined. So now I'm going to go in with the chocolate palette and go with my base colour. I forgot what the makeup term is, but we're just gonna put that all over my eyeball. Sorry, my eyelid, and just rub it in. So now I'm going to go in with the orange shade in Urban Decay Electric Palette, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyeball. And I'm using a Zoeva brush, but I'm not sure which one it is. I'm reading it out in this video, but I have no idea what it is, so I'm sorry about that. Then I'm going to go in with the purple shade in this palette and go in the outer corners of my crease just to make it more defined and less of a pop of orange, because we don't want too much of an orange hue, because orange is not a pretty colour. Now this is me trying to find the right shade on my eyelid, and it's not really working. It was a bit too bright of a colour, so I went in with a dark brown from the chocolate palette by Too Faced, and just blending that into the outer corners to create, you know, a more defined eye look and less of too much of a colour. Oh my god, that is way too close. So now I'm going in with a dusty orange from this Stila palette, because I'm still trying to get the colour on my eyes right. So, you know, it takes a bit of time to get the exact colour I want, and I think it's working. So this is one of my favourite products. I'm sorry I have to shout. I don't know why I shouted. This is like a glitter eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, I don't know. And I'm just going to apply that to the crease of my eyes. Just doing it a little bit lightly and just over where my eye folds. So no further than that. So this is actually a really interesting product. It comes with 2 eyeliners. I really don't know what it's called. The Quick Flick or something. You can get it from Priceline in Australia. Don't know if they sell it in America though. And so it has this tip where you can create a quick flick on the side of your eye, and you just stamp it on at the outer edge of your eye, and then it has another end to do the rest of your eye with. like with a plain eyeliner brush. So just watch how freaking cool this is. So you just stamp it on like so, and then keep stamping to get like however long you want your eyeliner to be. And then, wow, that is gorgeous. So now I'm just removing my baking powder. Makeup's looking good. Eyeliner's on fleek. Yeah, those eyeliners are actually the best invention I've ever seen in Priceline. So I'm going in with this Anastasia brow, I don't know what it is, brow powder, I don't know. But the thing with brows is if you use a pomade, some sort of like liquidy finish, then that is not gonna stay on all day. Trust me with that. I used to wear pomade every day, and at the end of the day it would sweat off. So that's not a pretty look, especially on Valentine's Day. You don't want to go down the street with smudged eyebrows. No, you don't. I don't think anyone does. So if you use powdered brow stuff, I will guarantee you it will stay on way longer. Now, everyone's favorite part, highlighter. Jeez, I look like crazy. Damn. Yeah, that's beside the point. So I've used this Pro HD highlighter to highlight my face. And oh my god, that is gorgeous. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Make sure you blend. Ladies, men, boys, whatever you are, whatever gender, please blend in your highlight. Because I've seen people, not going to name names, but I've seen people with just a line of highlight. And then when the lights get turned on at a party or whatever, you can see that they've just wiped their finger over their cheekbone. And that's not a good look, okay? You want that blended glow. You want that natural glow from within, you know? Especially on Valentine's Day. Now I'm going in with a mascara that has fibers on it on my bottom lashes, so it opens up your eye a bit more. This is like something you actually have to do. It's not just there because I wanted to do it, you know? But Kim Kardashian, all the celebrities who have good makeup always do their bottom lashes. It honestly makes a big difference. Lips are so important, especially on Valentine's Day. So I'm just lining it with this Rimmel liner, and it's okay to go a bit over the lips because who doesn't want nice, big, plump, luscious lips just like Kylie Jenner. Now I'm going in with this light peachy coloured gloss just to make it look a bit more natural, not too heavy, because otherwise the lips will distract the eyes and we want the attention on the eyes, you know? Okay, so that is it for the video. And this is the end look. I hope you guys can find a Valentine. I guarantee you, if you go out on the streets with this makeup during the day, don't do it at night, guys. Safety first. If you go out with this makeup look, I guarantee you, you will catch yourself a Valentine. And trust me, it works. I've tried it a million times and it works. I have proof, don't worry. So do this makeup look and you will be good to go, and you won't be a single Pringle on Valentine's Day. I swear, every Valentine's Day I'm always single. But you know what? Who cares? Single life is the best life, alright? So, I mean, if you're single on Valentine's Day, own it, you know? Being single is actually great. You're free from having a boyfriend or girlfriend. But, yeah, I mean, if you do have a boyfriend or girlfriend, they will be impressed with this makeup look. They'll be like, damn, like, I caught a good one. So that's it for the video. Thank you.